Welcome to our guide on cryptocurrency volatility. Understanding why prices drop is crucial for any investor. Market corrections are a normal part of the financial cycle, even in the decentralized world of crypto. Let us explore the primary triggers behind these sudden downturns. The main reasons for price drops often include regulatory news, macroeconomic factors, and market manipulation. Fear and uncertainty can cause rapid selling pressure. It is vital to distinguish between a temporary dip and a long-term trend. Stay informed but avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term volatility. To recover from a market slump, diversification is key. Do not put all your capital into one asset. Consider dollar cost averaging to smooth out your entry points. Always conduct your own research and maintain a long-term perspective. Patience and strategy are your best tools in this landscape. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.